Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has cursed the women who tattoo and the women who get themselves tattooed, the women who pluck out their hair from their faces and who make spaces between the teeth for beauty, for they change what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has created. When this statement reached a woman of Banu Asad called Yaqub, she came to him and said, I have come to know that you curse the woman who performs such and such actions. He said, why shouldn't I curse them whom Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has cursed and who are mentioned in Allah's book? She said, I had read whatever is in between two card covers but have not found in it what you say. He radiyallahu anhu said, if you had read it, you would have found it in it. Have you read? And whatsoever the messenger gives you, take it, and whatsoever he forbids you, abstain from that. The woman said, yes. He radiyallahu anhu then said, verily, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam has forbidden it. That woman said, I also find your wife doing so. He radiyallahu anhu replied, okay, go and see. So that woman went and she observed her, but did not find anything which could benefit her. He radiyallahu anhu said, if she had been so, we could not have lived together. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4886.